associated with Ingenetus from the day it was incepted, and I know Abhishek from last more than 10 years. Abhishek started this new Ingenetus after leaving bank, and from that day I also got associated with him, and it has given a lot of help to me, and financially it has helped me to a great extent. I have two goals when I came to know with Ingenetus. One was my retirement planning, and in that way Ingenetus has really helped me because they have given me how to plan it, how to do it, and how to achieve it, and now it has been met, and it is, I am very much happy with it. The second was my child marriage. So for that I have to park some money. So Ingenetus told me the way it has to be done and the process it has to be followed, and I did it that, and now I am happy that I have retired from Siemens in 2015. But though I am retired, but still I am not truly retired, because I am working as a consultant, and some companies call me, like my old association with BHL and Siemens, they call me to train the young engineers, which I find very interesting, and it gives me pleasure also. Moreover, financially Ingenetus has made me stable. That also, there is no agony about my life, so I am leading a very peaceful retired life, plus keeping myself engaged. That gives me a lot of happiness and pleasure.